You just found the 2021 Lexus NX. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. This stylish NX delivers premium comfort and convenient versatility. Whether you're captivated by its upscale interior, effortless performance, suite of advanced safety tech, or all of the above, this sporty SUV will make your heart sing. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, fog lamps, power passenger seat, dual zone AC, power driver seat, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer. Versatility meets style in this premium NX. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.